Kani kedai ke Spine Network jong ke kasih jantia Presbyterian Synod Pdeng. Ke Spine Network kedai ke wei na ke jingtrekam jong ke Media Center jong ke kasih jantia Presbyterian Synod Pdeng. Ke kentien Spine kedai ke jingpenyo salang yaki santeliki alfabet SPINE kibadon ki kentien kibakit jingut hak kentien paring kumni. Synod Pdeng Initiative to Nurture and Empower. Ke Spine Network kedai ke channel jong ke kasih jantia Synod Pdeng ke banwan ra yaki program ki baper hak social media platform ki program ki ban ai jing hikai ki ban ai mensim ki ban penklan ke jingit kan longru karensan bagi kon samla jong ke Synod ken saya kisap bekerpang ki bau belayu la penkut lagi bahkan longru karensan ban yalap yau Jesus Christ syaka pertai badan pendan burom yau belai barang.
The recommendation of the Executive Committee was placed and discussed at the Biennial General Assembly at Chatlang, Mizoram Synod on the 1st to 5th May 2024. The Biennial General Assembly resolved unanimously to grant the Provisional Synod the status of full-fledged Synod. The Provisional Synod acquired a plot of land measuring 32,195 square feet at Umlyngka, East Castles, with a purpose to construct the Synod office.
Latung yaka kasih jantia Synod Pdeng daka Presbyterian Church of India kom ke Synod Bapura haka praterik u September adza alpusal. Pat kumta kom ke Synod haka jing sedang banyak lenti jongka haka jing syakri yau blai bat yaki bangit nalor pat ki wei ki jing trai jongka kala tau yaki lad pan wan syakamat ban ai yaka jing syakri lengba ke social media. Ublay unkurku yaka Synod Pdeng haka jing trai jongka bada ka jing syakri ke jongka yau blay bada ka gospel u Jesus Christ. Ublay unkurku yaka Synod Pdeng bada ublay unkurku